Welcome to Mora FC. This is an easier way of sewing a sleeve cuff. The easy and the fast way. So let's get started. After cutting your sleeve, you gotta deduct the size of the cuff that you want from the main sleeve. You can make it 2, you can make it 2.5, you can make it 3, you can make it 3.5, you can make it 4. That's the sizes of the cuff. And you're gonna put a fusing on half of the cuff, each of them. So this is the sleeve. So I'm marking my 5 inches. That's the round sleeve, and I mark my 2 inch. So that is 5, 3, 2. Then I mark 7. Sorry, not 7. 4.5. That's the open part of it. I do the same thing to the other hand. You need to cut a fabric like 1.5 long. So this is what the 1.5 long I'm gonna use. I'm sewing from the wrong side of it. So you're gonna sew on a 1/2 inch. You take your time, take it easy. You go around the place that I cut 4.5. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, and comment. This is Mora FC. It is what it is. Then we're gonna turn it to the right side of the fabric. It's like we are popping it. Yep, it's like we are popping it. So when you're folding it, make sure that you cover the thread that you already sewn. Don't let the thread show up. So when you're covering it like this, put it on top like that. Make sure that you cover the thread that we have already sewn. Like I said, this is an easier way of making a sleeve cuff. The cuff is gonna depend on you, how the size you want it to be. Like I said, gonna be 2. You can make it 2, you can make it 2.5, you can make it 3, you can make it 3.5, you can make it 4. It depends how big you want it to be. But you have to deduct that cuff from the main sleeve when cutting the sleeve. So after this one has been done, this sleeve, there's no pleats on it. We are not making any pleats. We are making it a straight away sleeve. We are not going to make no pleat. So I folded the other part a 1/2 inch inward. You can see I folded. I make a notch on that double stitch. And I divide into 2 like this. Then I make a double stitch at that angle as well. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Tell a friend. It's Mora FC. It is what it is. So after that, I'm gonna sew. Like I said, this sleeve, we are not going to make no pleat. So just a normal straight sleeve. So you mark then you saw how big you want it to be or how small you want it to fix your hand. Don't sew throughout. When you reach this place, you just have to leave it like that because it's gonna help us when we are joining the hand to the shoulder of the top. So when you take your cuff, you can see I put a fusing on half of the cuff. Then I'm gonna sew on a 1/2 inch. Just like that. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share, comment. It is what it is. So I'm gonna measure for this tutorial sake, I'm just going to show you that you gotta measure it and know. But don't forget to subscribe, like and share, comment, tell a friend to tell a friend, tell me what you think. This is an easy way and fast way of making a sleeve cuff. You can try your hand on that. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. Yep. Oops. My down thread has finished, so I gotta fade it. I have to fix it now. But hey, for waiting, subscribe, like and share. Tell me what you think. So after you see, we are almost done. So stay glued, stay tuned. You just have to turn it over, iron it, go to the iron board and iron it. So you're going to take your cuff, you put it at the wrong side of the sleeve, just like that. Then you start sewing. We are joining it together. Yeah, we are just joining it together. It's Mora FC, it is what it is. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. We are going to do a lot of stuff on this channel. I keep saying it because we are going to do a lot of stuff on this channel. I'm just trying to give you the basics, the simplest ways, and you know what it is. It is what it is. So after joining it, you gotta flip it over to the right side of the fabric, and we're going to top stitch it. Make sure you cover the thread that has been already sewn. You cover it, you don't have to let it show. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share and comment. It is what it is. There are other people out there. Some of your friends want to learn how to sew, but don't have any channel to be watching. So when you are sharing, you are not just doing me a favor, you are doing your friends a favor. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe, like, share, comment, and share with your friends. You know. So after joining it, you just have to top stitch it. Here you can see I'm just top stitch it as well. We have done. This is an easy way and fastest way to make a hand cuff, a sleeve cuff on your sleeve. So you just have to make your bottom holes, and you put your bottom on it. You have done. You finish, that's all, just like that. Thank you for watching, thank you for supporting, thank you for subscribing. I really appreciate your time. Thanks to everybody who subscribed. Let's stay connected. Ciao, blessings.